Am I visible? Audible?
No, sir.
You are
Sir, you
audible,
are
sir.
audible,
Am I audible?
but not audible, sir, but not visible.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Am I
sir,
audible?
you are. You are audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Madam, if like Tripti madam and Basu sir is okay, then fine.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Can
are
you hear
audible.
me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Sir, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Are you going to start now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you permit, we'll start.
With your kind permission, we want to start our session today, sir.
Yes.
Tripti madam, you are.
Please go ahead. Yes,
Thank you,
please
sir.
go ahead.
So, Koil madam, please proceed.
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries, esteemed speakers, valued participants, and my dear colleagues, it is my privilege to welcome you all to this 6-day online faculty development program on building the next wave of Indian startups with advanced computing technologies, proudly organized by the Department of CSE and ECE, Supreme Knowledge Foundation, under the patronage of the prestigious AICTE Training and Learning Academy. In this dynamic era of technological transformation, India stands at the cusp of a commercial revolution. As the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, India is home to countless innovators striving to solve real-world challenges through bold ideas and advanced technologies. However, the next leap forward depends on leveraging cutting-edge computing technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and quantum computing to build scalable, efficient, and impactful solutions. The purpose of this FDP is to prepare educators, mentors, and academic leaders to serve as catalysts for this transformation. This 6-day program is designed to offer a rich blend of technical knowledge, industry insights, and hands-on learning experiences. On behalf of Supreme Knowledge Foundation, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to AICTE and ATAL Academy for their support and for providing us with the opportunity of hosting such a significant program. A special thanks to our resource persons and speakers who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise that will surely inspire and guide us. I would also like to commend the organizing team from Supreme Knowledge Foundation for their hard work and dedication in making this FDP a reality. We are also grateful to our digital media partner, the Telegraph Online EduGraph, for associating with us. We would like to start by expressing our deep appreciation to the chief patron of this event, Honorable Chairman Sir Mr. Bijoy Guha Mullik. We also wish to extend our special thanks to Dr. Shomo Guha Mullik, Vice Chairman SKF, and Mrs. Devishi Guha Mullik, Vice President SKF, who are the patrons of the FDP. We would also like to thank Professor Dr. Dhrubashish Sarkar, Principal SIMT, Department Chair CSE, ECE and IT Studies, and Professor Dr. Tripti Guin Vishwas, Principal SKFGI and Chief Academic Officer SKF, both being the chairperson of this FDP. A special thanks and a special mention to distinguished Professor Dr. Boidonath Basu Sir, Adjunct Emeritus Professor of SKF and advisor to the FDP. The unwavering support of all these dignitaries has been vital in organizing this event. It is also a great pleasure to thank our guest of honor, Sri Topon Mishra, Honorary Doctorate, Founding Director of Shishir Radar, former Director of Space Application Center and Physical Research Laboratory of ISRO, who due to very important professional emergency could not join us today, but will be present there in the later sessions throughout the week. Once again, I welcome you all to this enriching journey. Together, let us build the foundation for a new wave of Indian startups that are powered by advanced computing technologies and driven by innovation and purpose. Thank you, and I wish you all a fruitful and inspiring 6 days ahead. May I now introduce Professor Subroto Das, coordinator of the FDP, to continue with the welcome address. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, madam. Good evening to all the participants and a very happy and prosperous new year. I once again welcome you to all in this FDP on building the next wave of Indian startup with advanced communicating technologies. May this new year 2025 bring success, innovation, and transformative opportunities for all. We are glad to inform you that around 220 participants from almost 60 different organizations have registered for this FDP. It is expected that all join actively and participate in all the sessions. We are also fortunate to have eminent speakers both from industry and academia who will share their expertise in advanced computing technologies in these 6 days. Like we have Dr. Arijit Mukherjee, TCS, Dr. Sanghamitra Dev, JINC USA, Professor Dr. Professor Dr. Devashish De, Macaut, Professor Dr. Somir Shinde, University of Oregon, USA, Professor Bimal Kumar Roy, former Director, ISI Kolkata, Dr. Mungun Das, Accenture, Professor Dr. Omlayan Chakraborty, University of Calcutta, Professor Dr. Sandip K. Shugla, IIT Kanpur, Mr. Turjo Choudhury, Global Platform Leader at EY, Dr. Orpita Kormakar, Wipro, Dr. Tanusham Chattopadhyay, Adani Enterprise Limited, Mr. Obhik Ghosh, TCS, and Mr. Soumitra Sarkar, IBM. My sincere gratitude to all the speakers on behalf of this institute who will sparing their valuable time to share their knowledge with us despite of their busy schedule. I welcome all the eminent speakers. Participants are requested to kindly let us inform some general guidelines of this FDP. Minimum 80% attendance throughout the program, successful completing and submitting online assessment conducted at the end of the program by the coordinator and scoring at least 70% of the marks, successfully completing online feedback form through ATAL portal after the completion of the program. We are grateful to our digital media partner, the Telegraph Online EduGraph, for associating with us. Kindly note that the attendance for all the days will automatically generated by the Microsoft Teams, including the login time span for each and all participants. Further, we request all the participants to give your valuable feedback at the end of each day, but keep in mind at the end of the program, that is at the end of the day 6, all have to compulsorily fill the feedback form in the ATAL portal also. Hope you will enjoy the sessions. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Well, ma'am, please.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. I would now like to welcome Professor Dr. Dhrubashish Sarkar, sir, to address the audience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Very good evening. Speakers of today's program, Dr. Arijit Mukherjee from TCS Research, Dr. Sanghamitra Dev from State Incorporation, USA. Principal Escape GI and CAO Professor Dr. Tripti Gwin Biswas, Distinguished Adjunct Professor Dr. B.N. Basu, the convener and co-convener of the FDP, the HODs, faculty and staff members of our institution, and most delightfully, the esteemed attendees, the faculty members, researchers, PG scholars, and industry professionals across the country. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this ATAL Online Faculty Development Program on building the next wave of Indian startup for advanced computing technologies, PNWISACC 2025. I am really honored to be part of this meaningful initiative. With the blessings of our Honorable Chairman of Escape Trust, Sri Vijay Guha Mallik, our dynamic Vice Chairman, Dr. Souma Guha Mallik, Vice President, Mrs. Deveshi Guha Mallik, we will begin our 6th ATAL Online FDP program today. They could not be present today in this inaugural session. They have conveyed their best wishes to all the participants for joining this online FDP, and sincere thanks and regards to the guest of honor of today's inaugural program who could not be joined unfortunately, and all the esteemed resource persons from India and abroad, and wish this FDP a grand success. Supreme Knowledge Foundation has started its journey in 2009, and we have celebrated our 15 years of journey last year. Supreme Knowledge Foundation offers various UG, PG, and diploma programs in engineering and technology, management, healthcare, multimedia and design, hospitality, etc. We all know that an institution is primarily known by its students. We have excellent track records for students' placement and their higher studies in India and abroad. During their final year of study, our UG, PG, and diploma students undergo their internships and projects from premier institutions and organizations all over the country. We are working towards the collaboration with many reputed research and development sections from industry and institutions in India and abroad. We regularly arrange technical and guest lecture sessions, workshops on latest technologies by internationally reputed speakers, and finishing schools to address the industry academia gaps. We have highly qualified, experienced, and dedicated faculty and staff members with a deep sense of commitment and passion for teaching and research. Our students actively participate in various research activities and skill development programs. Startups are the backbone, we all know, of innovation and progress, especially in the domain of advanced computing technologies, which continue to redefine industries and create opportunities for sustainable growth. This FDP aims to empower educators, researchers, and professionals with the tools and insights needed to inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs and innovators. I extend my sincere gratitude to AICTE ATAL for their support, especially for their ATAL FDP grants for consecutive 2 years, both in offline and online modes. Our esteemed speakers for sharing their expertise, and all participants for their enthusiasm. Together, let us create a vibrant and collaborative learning environment that fosters innovation and excellence. Wishing you all a fruitful and engaging FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Dr. Tripti Goin Biswas Madam to address the audience. Over to you, ma'am.
We cannot hear. Not audible. Tripti, not audible.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Can you hear me now? Am I audible
Yes,
now?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are
Thank you,
audible.
well, madam. Very good evening and happy new year to the esteemed guest, the faculty members, and the fellow innovators who are all attending this meeting. And with the blessings of Chairman Sir, Chairman Escape Sri Vijay Guha Mallik, and best wishes from VC Mr. Dr. Souma Guha Mallik and Vice President Mrs. Deveshi Guha Mallik. We are truly privileged to conduct such a FDP on building the next wave of Indian startups with advanced computing technologies. As we step into an increasingly digital and data-driven world, the true potential of Indian startups lies in advanced computing technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and blockchain, etc. These technologies are reshaping the industries, and certainly entirely new opportunities are getting created in the field of businesses and startups. By using these applications of these technologies, we can bring a revolution in healthcare system, education system, agriculture system, and definitely in manufacturing technology too. AI and ML are already helping to protect and predict the customer behaviors. It is automated processes and it is providing the personalized services at scales. Already it is in application. However, this transformation isn't without challenges. There are a lot of challenges, yet we need to solve and proceed further. Altogether, it's a great opportunity for us that AICT is providing us this opportunity to conduct this FDP, and definitely in this 6 days program, we'll do lot, we'll learn lot, and definitely we'll be able to come up with some new things, new ideas for the entrepreneurs and challenges that we are currently facing in the field of education, in medical science, and etc. I wish all the best to all the participants in this FDP, and I'm sure that all of us will take it to a new level of understanding about the advanced technologies like AI, ML, etc. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I now have the proud honor of calling upon Professor Dr. Boidonath Basu to share a few words with us. Before Sir starts, spare me the audacity of introducing Sir, because that is a privilege not many of us get. I've got that. I'm honored, sir. Professor Dr. B.I.N. Basu is a distinguished personality in the field of vacuum electron devices, holding B.Tech, M.Tech, and PhD degrees from the Institute of Radio Physics and Electronics, Calcutta University in 1965, 1966, and 1976, respectively. He superannuated as the head of the Electronics Engineering Department at the Institute of Technology, Benares Hindi University, which is now known as IIT BHU, where he also coordinated the Center of Research in Microwave Tubes. Currently, Sir serves as a distinguished adjunct professor at Supreme Knowledge Foundation in West Bengal. Sir has made pioneering contributions to the development of microwave vacuum electron devices in India, including the country's first traveling wave tube and gyrotron for fusion plasma heating. His leadership in these projects has been instrumental in advancing India's capabilities in high power microwave technology. In addition to his academic and research contributions, Professor Basu has held several prestigious positions, including Distinguished Visiting Scientist at CSIR CRE and consultant to DRDO. He has authored over 130 research papers, several monograph chapters, 6 books, including notable works on electromagnetic theory and microwave tubes. His achievements have been recognized with numerous awards, including the Lifetime Achievement Award from IETE and the prestigious John R. Pierce Award from IEEE, the first ever from India. Professor Basu continues to influence the field through his editorial work and international collaborations, cementing his legacy as a pioneer in microwave engineering. Sir, with this introduction, please may I request you to share a few words with all of us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Visible also.
So you have introduced me. Who introduced me? Koeb? Who introduced
Sir,
me? Koeb?
yes, sir, right. Koel here.
Yes. Koel Chakravarti, Professor Dr. Koel Chakravarti, thank you very much for introducing me. Happy New Year to all of you, all present here, all the participants of the FDP Faculty Development Program. And of course, warm wishes to the team, warm wishes of team led by Professor Devashish Sarkar and Professor Tripti Govind Vishwas. And they have got a very wonderful team, I can see. I am proud that SKFGI has taken up the role of advanced computing, encompassing cloud computing, quantum computing, etc., in startups as a topic. The role of artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, etc., in startups has also been included. Perhaps this may lead to 3D printing or additive manufacturing that can realize, for instance, semi-cryogenic liquid engine. Well, a reference can be made to space startups. Ognikul Cosmos, which flies 3D printed rocket engine. This was very much appreciated by ISRO. My own research interest is in the area of high power microwaves, HPM. 3D printing technology has been used every 3D printing technology has been used to fabricate beam wave interaction structure for HPM devices, high power microwave devices. Commercially available metal 3D printers use alloys that are not suitable for HPM in terms of conductivity. This calls for 3D printing and copper plating. Further, post-processing can be used for the surface finish of the interaction structures. 3D printed slow wave structures, for example, was developed at the University of California, Irvine, and it was hot tested with an electron beam at the University of New Mexico, Albuquerque. Reportedly, 22 megawatt of RF output power was generated at 3 gigahertz. Well, I'm not an expert in this area. I'm trying to learn. I'm looking forward to learning a lot from the faculty program. I want to join with you, along with you. I learn. So I don't want to take much time. Good luck. Jai Hind. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Am I audible?
Thank
Yes,
you,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please carry on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words as ever. We'll now move on to our first session. We conclude our introduction session here and shall continue with the session today. I would now request Dr. Shubir Kumar Das, sir, to kindly take up the moderation of the first session tonight. Shubir, sir.
Madam, with your kind permission, just I want to give one
Yes, sir.
to the participant. Respected participant, please join with your name that with you registered for the FDP. And kindly mute yourself whenever you are asked some question, then unmute and ask. Thank you all.
Should I begin?
Sir, please wait for a minute, sir, please.
Waiting, like the moderator of your session is just using like.
So he is facing some network issues, sir. Only 1 or 2 minutes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mukherjee, welcome and our sincere gratitude to you for taking time out of your extremely busy schedule in touch for a long discussion, but then this is the time I could arrange your session for my institution, presenting institution. And you'll be happy to know that more than 150 faculty members, research scholars, and few professionals have joined this FDP. They are attending this, and almost they are spreading across 60 different institutions and organizations across the country. We have participation for almost like all states.
Okay.
By that time, would you like to check your screen if like required? Although that will work.
Yeah, let me just try and share and see it if it appears.